Hi, welcome to an Inventor 2020 video tutorial. I want to do that hexagon grill now in Inventor. And again, please note, these hexagons are equally sized, but the space between those hexagons is not equally sized, because it's not possible to cover a sphere with hexagons, with equally sized hexagons. So, let's have fun with Inventor. Okay, let's start with a sketch on the XY plane. I need a circle. Diameter should be 600. And some lines. Both of them for construction only. Now trim. Align those 2 points horizontal and give it a dimension, maybe that's 80. Finish that sketch and let's make a revolve. It should be a surface. Yes. The axis would be I think it's the x-axis. This should be the axis. Yep. And I need it to be symmetric, and I want to go for altogether 70 degrees. Yes, and confirm. Okay. I need, of course, a copy of this one, so we'll go for an offset surface. So let's take a look. Where's my offset? There you go. I need a surface quilt 0 and select the surface and apply, and I might need another one, so I will go for another one and apply. So I got 2 offset surfaces. They should do. And maybe hide the original one and one of the 2 offsets as well. Now I need a plane which is tangent to that surface. So let's see if there is a solution for that. Tangent through point, tangent to surface parallel to plane. Yes. That would be the surface, and the tangent plane should be, no, maybe that's the plane. Yeah, that's the plane, the XZ plane. Yeah. And now I could do a sketch on that plane. So go for a sketch right there, and I need a hexagon. Where's my polygon? There you go. 6 sides, yes. Let's draw it out like that and make this one vertical. Yep. And give it a dimension, so this side should be 10. Finish that sketch. Now I could hide the plane. And I need to project that hexagon onto that surface. Therefore I will need a 3D sketch, so let's go for a 3D sketch. And project to surface, yeah, and shortest to the closest points, yes. The face would be this one, and the curves should be those. And okay, now let's hide, I just finished that sketch, hide the sketch, and sadly I could not trim with that curve that surface. That's odd, so I did it in a different way. I went for a ruled surface, yes, and I want to go for a vector. Yes, I can go for, that would be the y-axis as vector, and the curve would be this one. 10 degrees should do. And now I can trim that surface with that rule surface. That's really strange because in Fusion I can trim with that curve. So let's go for trim. I want to trim with this tool, and I want to remove the outside, and okay. Let's hide that rule surface. Okay. Now I want to pattern this around the y-axis. No, not around the y-axis, but the x-axis. Yeah. So go for a circular pattern. And should I pattern the faces or the bodies? Let's take a look. So I will thicken that one and pattern the bodies. So where to go? Thicken to both sides, and this should be 1 millimeter, and that would be the face. Let's take a look and confirm. Now I want to pattern that body. Maybe show that axis. Yeah, that's the right one. So go for a circular pattern. I want to pattern the body. That body, that's okay. And the rotation axis would be this one. And I need it to be incremental. I need 6 instances with 3 degrees spacing, but maybe the other way around like this, and confirm. So let's take a look. Yeah, and I want it to be new bodies, and okay. Now let's move 3 of them. So go to modify, move bodies. I want to move that body, but I want to rotate it. Okay, and the axis would be the, I think it's the, let me take a look. It's always hard to tell. Is it, no, it's the Z axis, yes, and it should be 1.75 degrees, maybe to the other side. Okay, then repeat that command again, move bodies. Okay, maybe I could okay, and it was the Z axis, and it was the other way around, and go again for 1.75 degrees. Apply. Next one, rotate around the Z axis, (1.75 degrees), and okay. Let's hide that one. Now I could pattern those bodies or solids. So go for another circular pattern. And this nope, there isn't. So I want to pattern all those bodies, and I want it to be new bodies. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Rotation axis would be again the Z axis. I go for incremental, and I want it to be 10 with, that's 3.5 degrees, maybe the other way around, but I could go for a mid-plane, so I could even go for 21 and then for the mid-plane. Yeah, that's more like it. And if I would join, no, I don't want. Could I join? If I join them, let's see what will happen. Okay, is this one body? So I got 1, 2. Oh yeah, that's nice. That's okay. Now I want to mirror those bodies. So go for a mirror. Where's my mirror? There you go. Mirror. I want to mirror bodies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This one not. Try to join them. And it would be the, which plane? That's the XY plane. Yeah, it's the XY plane. And that would be the XY plane. And yeah, okay. Now I got 1, 2, 3, 4, and those are, yeah, quite nice. I could hide those bodies, at least for the moment. And I need the original surface. That would be not this one, but the other offset one. Let's hide this one and bring that one. I will need another sketch on the work plane. So let's go for a sketch right there. And of course it's a rectangle and a centered one. 2-point center, yeah. Here, and let's go for 340 and 135, like that. Finish that sketch. Now project this one, maybe hide that one, to that surface. So go for a 3D sketch, project closest, that would be normal, the face is here, the curves are those, and okay. Finish this sketch, hide the old one, yep. And now again I will use a ruled surface because I can't trim with that curve. So go for ruled surface. Yes, direction would be in this case the Y direction. This one. 10mm should do, and that would be the curve. Okay, and now I can trim and use that ruled one as tool, and remove the side and confirm and hide that ruled surface. Now I want to thicken this one, thicken that surface. Now I want it to be a body, a new body. Face yes, go to both sides and make it 0.5. Great. Hide the surface like this, and now I want to remove those from that one. So bring them back. And now let's go for a combine. The base would be solid 7, and I want to subtract the tool bodies. So I want to subtract this one, that one, this one, that one, this one, and that one. And okay. Great, I got my grid. Nice. Now let's bring back that trimmed surface. I think that's this one. And that would be not the ruled one, but this one. Make it visible. I want to extend that surface. So go for an extend, maybe hide the body. Go for an extend. I want to extend edge chain, yes. Here to all sides. And I want to go for 5 mm. And that's okay. And confirm. Now I could trim that surface with that ruled one, and the ruled one I think was this one. Let's bring it back. Yeah. Now let's go for trim. That would be the tool, and I want to remove this side in this case, and okay. And hide that, no, this surface. Let's thicken that. I need a body, a new body, yes, both. Yeah, not both sides. So I have to go to one side and then to the other side, because I don't want it to be symmetric. Okay, so let's go for 2 mm up, and that would be the wrong one, so that's up. Apply, and then could I hide that? No, not for the moment. I have, yeah, there it is. I have to go for 3 mm to the other side. Let's take a look. In this direction, yes, and we want to join it with the already existing one. So let's see if that works. So that should be one solid, yes. Hide that surface. Now let's do some fillets. Let's go for 10 mm. Here. Over there. On this edge, and yeah, on that edge. Apply. Now go for 50 mm here, there, here, and there, and okay. Nice. So I got those two, yeah. I could already combine them, but I will hide them both. And let's bring back that surface. And I want to extend this one. So go for extend. Let's go for 20 on this edge, that edge, this one, and that one. So that's kind of crazy because those edges weren't recognized, but that looks okay. So confirm, and again, no, I don't want to trim. I want to thicken offset this one, symmetric with 1 mm. I want to go for a new body, yes, face, yes, and select it, okay, and confirm. Hide the surface, and let's make some fillets. So we'll go for 10 right here. That should work. 10 here. Let's see if I can. This one, that one, and this one. Apply. Now go for maybe 20 right there. Oh, It's hard to see. That's the one. Go here, yes. That edge, and of course this one. Okay, now let's bring back the other bodies. Yeah, looks good. Now unite them, go for combine and join them. The base, I could use this as base, tool body this one and that one. Okay, and I'm done. Oh, almost. You could add, of course, a chamfer. Let's go for 0.5 on this edge, apply, and that edge. Okay, and now I'm done. So I hope you enjoyed this one. If you did, please give it a like or leave a comment. If you want to see more, please give it a like or leave a comment. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please subscribe to my Facebook fan page. Would be very nice of you. I want to get more likes and subscriptions over there as well. Thanks for watching. See you to the next one. Bye bye.